In this class, now I am going to explain you one problem from inverse trigonometric functions which was given in G Advanced 2023 paper 2. See that question. Find the sum of solutions of this trigonometric equation. Tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square plus cot inverse of 9 minus y square by 6y, which is equal to 2 pi radians by 3, where 0 less than mod y less than 3. This is the question. What you have to find for this? The sum of solutions of this inverse trigonometric equation. See that tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square plus cot inverse of 9 minus y square by 6y, which is equal to 2 pi radians by 3, where 0 less than mod y less than 3. Now let us see the solution of this question. See, how is y? 0 less than mod y less than 3, which means that y belongs to open interval of, minus 3 to 0 union 0 to 3. You know. So suppose if y belongs to positive part, if y is lying between 0 to 3, in such case, so this has to be written tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square plus, here it is given cot inverse of 9 minus y square by 6y. Okay, now express in terms of tan. Now tan inverse of, when you take reciprocal of this, then you will get in terms of tan inverse. So tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square, which is equal to 2 pi radians by 3. Okay students, here what did I do? Just this I have expressed in terms of tan. I got this. Now both are like terms. Add it. 2 into tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square, which is equal to 2 pi radians by 3. See, 2 cancel. Now transfer tan inverse to the right side, so that here you will get 6y by 9 minus y square, which is equal to tan pi radians by 3, which is equal to tan 60 root 3. Now solve it. So if you solve it, what do you get? 6y, which is equal to 9 into root 3. 9 root 3 minus y into this, minus root 3 y square. Okay students, now bring both of them to the left side, so that here you will get root 3 y square plus 6y minus 9 root 3, which is equal to 0. You got a quadratic equation. Observe that your y is lying between 0 and 3. Now solve it. If you solve it, what do you get? So apply that quadratic formula, minus b, plus or minus, but to take only plus, because our y value is lying from 0 to 3, hence it must be positive. So that take here plus only. Minus b plus root of b square. B square means 36 minus 4ac. So 4ac, here you will get plus 4 9s are 36, 36 3 is 108 by 2a, 2 root 3. Now how much is this? 144. Root 144, 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 by 2 root 3. Now 2 ones are 2 threes are. Now 3 should be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Now root 3 cancel. Your result is root 3. That is one of the value for y. So when we have got that y value as root 3, when y value is lying from 0 to 3. So y may take minus 3 to 0 also, no? So in such case, what kind of values are we going to get for y? Now let me explain you. So keep it aside. One of the value is root 3. Okay. Now let us go to solve that equation. When when y is minus 3 to 0. This is the given equation. Now solve it when y value is minus 3 to 0. Y belongs to minus 3 to 0. If. So you know students, so I think you read this formula. Tan inverse of x is equal to, see, this cot inverse of x is equal to pi plus tan inverse of 1 by x if x is negative. So very important this relation. Cot inverse of x must be written as pi plus tan inverse of 1 by x when x is negative. Suppose if x is positive, so cot inverse of x can be written as tan inverse of 1 by x only. In the previous one, so there y was positive, hence I have written cot inverse of x as tan inverse of 1 by x. But whenever x is negative, this cot inverse of x must be written pi plus tan inverse of 1 by x. Remember that. See, now we are seeing the case 2. In the case 2, this has to be written as it is, because so this will come as it is, because whenever x is negative, so tan inverse of minus x should be written as minus tan inverse of x. No change, no pi will come there. So write this one is as it is, and this one you would have to write as pi plus tan inverse of 1 by x. Tan inverse of 1 by x. 1 by x means you have to write as the reciprocal here. 9 minus y square by 6y, which is equal to 2 pi radians by 3. Students, here what is the value of y? Which belongs to minus 3 to 0. So in such case, this has to be written as it is, but this one has to be written as pi plus tan inverse of 9 minus y square by 6y. Now add both of them. So what do you get? 2 tan inverse of 6y by 9 minus y square. Okay. So when it goes to the right side, how much do you get? This is going to be 120. 120 minus 180, which becomes minus 60. Now 2 ones are 230 degrees. See. Now send this tan inverse to the right side, so that here you will get 6y by 9 minus y square. So which is equal to tan of minus 30, which is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Now simplify that. See, take cross multiplication. So 6 root 3 y. So which is equal to minus 9 plus y square. So transfer this one to the right side, so that here you will get 0. Now y square minus 6 root 3y minus 9. Now solve it. On solving this again, so you are going to get minus b. Minus b means 6 root 3 plus or minus root of b square. B square means, so I think here you are going to get 108 minus 4ac plus 36 by 2a. So here what is y value? Negative. Lying from minus 3 to 0 now. Hence don't take here plus value. Consider here only minus in that quadratic formula. Now simplify this. 6 root 3 minus, it is going to be 12 by 2. Now simplify. 3 root 3 minus 6. Now you have got one more value for y. In the case 2, you got this as for y. In the case 1, you got y value as root 3. Now add both of them. These two are our required solutions. But in the problem, they asked us to find whose sum. Now, sum of that solutions is equal to root 3 plus 3 root 3 minus 6. Now add both of them. 4 root 3 minus 6. So this is your required result. Thank you.